How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the brand new video for your Instagram. And this time we're going to talk about how you can use the disappearing option for your pictures and videos. Now imagine you trying to send a pictures or videos to your friends, let's say for example, and you want them to be able to see that pictures and videos only for once. Now how you can do it? Now to do that on your iPhone or Android, the first option that you want to choose is your apps. Go ahead and open up your Instagram applications and simply tap on your Messenger option. And from here, just go ahead and you need to choose the conversation that you want to send the pictures or video. Now for example, I'm going to choose one of our accounts from here and then simply go ahead and tap on our pictures icon and choose a picture. So I'm going to choose a pictures from here, and now this is where you need to do the work. Now if you just tap on allow replay, and then you'll be able to see this option, keep in chat, view once. Now you have to make sure you're choosing view once, or if you choose allow replay, then these pictures will be view once and the viewer will be able to send you, let's say, message. They can reply you back. Since we're gonna tell them to keep it for once, so I'll choose view once and I'll tap on send, and then the pictures is already been sent to these other devices. So I'm just gonna go ahead and grab this device from here, and from now on, so I'll just go ahead and open up the Instagram, and from here I'll tap this messenger option from there, and now this is the pictures as you guys can see you've got. So I'll tap on here and I'll tap on there, and now the pictures is gonna be able to see me only for one time. Okay, now let me show you how it works. Now if I try to open this up right now, this is not gonna work. So I'll just try to open this up just now. So this is not going to work because I've just made it for only one time to view. Okay, so now you can do exactly the same thing for your video as well, and this is how you can use these features on your Instagram application in order to send any pictures or videos to your friends only for one time. Hope you find this video useful. If so, drop a like and subscribe to the channel to get more useful video content for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later.